Right, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. It's minimalist press day. We're going to start off with push-ups. You can do them on the floor or use these push-up handles like I have if you have them. I just use the push-up handles because my left wrist doesn't like to flex. They're just straight up push-ups, nothing fancy. Hands just outside shoulder width. And be focusing more on our chest. Want to go down nice and slow on the negative. Hold it in that bottom position for a second. Explosive on the way up. This is warming up, so basically as many reps as you can. Say 15 to 25 reps if you can do it. If not, shoot for 10. Nice and slow and controlled. Next, we're going to go into the bench press. I'm just going to show you here how to contract your back. So you want to bring your shoulders back and down and keep them locked. We'll show you from the side what that looks like. So bring them back and down, locked in position. And you want throughout the movement, you want to keep your shoulders back. You want to keep your chest high. So that's going to really work your chest muscles instead of focusing on your front delts. So now we're going to lay back on the bench with some dumbbells. You can do this on the floor if you don't have a bench. So I'm going to get my back set, and then I'm going to use my feet to push my body back into my shoulders. I'm going to keep that chest high. Up, down, nice and slow into a big stretch. Back up, repeat for 8 to 15 reps, depending on what you can do. I'll show it from the side here. So yeah, my shoulders set. Then I push back into my shoulders, get as much of an arch in my lower back as I can. See there, I keep my chest high. Down nice and low, get a big stretch at the bottom. Slow on the way down, explosive on the way up. Now, if that's too easy and you have a fitness band, you can wrap a fitness band around your back. Reach down and grab the dumbbells. Lay back on the bench. Now, this isn't going to really help with the stretched portion at the bottom where you build the most muscle. But what it's going to do is give you a really good squeeze at the top. So in this one, you can touch the dumbbells together at the top. Really focus on squeezing your chest, and that's going to help with that mind-muscle connection and give you a really good chest pump. Same thing, nice and slow on the way down. Now we're going to do some tricep overhead press. You can do these seated or standing. Two options if 2 dumbbells are too heavy for you. Start with one. Put your hands like a diamond and hold the dumbbell handle in the middle. As big of a stretch as you can on the way down. We'll show it from the back here. Down, big stretch, and then all the way up. Big stretch down, all the way up. Now we'll go on. If that's too light, you have the option of doing 2 dumbbells, 1 in each hand. Just the exact same motion. Down. Again, you can do these standing. I just wanted to be in the camera, so I stayed seated. Down nice and slow, explosive on the way up. Now we're going to move into my personal favorite tricep finisher, the Tate press. So you set up like a bench press, get your shoulders back, everything tight. And you want to bring the dumbbells down towards your face in the middle. We'll show up from the top view here, and that'll give you a little better angle. Look at that shiny bald head. So bring them down. I like to touch them right to my face. And then back up. Nice and slow on the way down, explosive on the way up. All right, now we're going to move on to shoulders. So side lateral raises. I like to lean forward just a little bit at the hips. You can stand straight up if it feels good for you. You want to try to go nice and slow and controlled on the way down. You can be explosive on the way up. You don't want a massive swing though. Nice and slow. Then once you're done that, we're going to go into some dumbbell front raises. Same thing, fast on the way up. Try to control it on the way down. Don't want to use a big swing. Got a side view here. You see it's slow and controlled on the way down. So this is going to work your front delts. Reason we do the side delts first is because then you still get a bit of activation on doing the front delts. Now we're going to do some abs. We're just going to do some plain old crunches here. Hold the contracted position for a little bit. A little bit of a stretch on the way down, right back down. Once you've done your crunches, then we're just going to go into some leg raises. And do these on the floor. You don't have to be on a bench. You want to just go till your butt gets off the floor a little bit. Now, if those are too easy, you can do like a candlestick. You do need to have something to hold on to behind your head, a bench or your couch. These ones you want to get your butt right up. Now, another option you can do is crunch lifting your legs at the same time. You can do these again on the floor. Just make your crunches a little harder, work more lower abs at the same time. Then if that's still too easy, you can hold a dumbbell above your head. Do weighted crunches. That's eventually what you want to work up to, getting some resistance. Thanks for watching Building Dad Bod 2.0. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.